When you see no signal on your TV screen, despite everything appearing to be plugged in, this means your TV isn't receiving a signal from the connected device through the HDMI connection. First, ensure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your TV and the source device, such as a cable box or gaming console. Unplug and reinsert the cable at both ends to ensure a firm connection. Visually inspect the HDMI cable for any signs of damage. Look for fraying, cuts, bent or damaged pins, or areas where the cable has been excessively bent. Any of these issues can prevent proper signal transmission. Make sure the correct HDMI input is selected on your TV. Use the Input or Source button on your TV remote to cycle through the available HDMI options until you find the one connected to your device. Power cycle your devices by turning them off and unplugging them from the power outlet for about 60 seconds, then plugging them back in. This simple step resolves the no signal issue about 90% of the time. These initial checks solve most HDMI no signal problems. If these steps don't resolve your issue, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your HDMI no signal issue, it's time for advanced techniques and future-proofing strategies. First, try different HDMI ports on your TV and test with alternative cables to isolate faulty hardware components. Damaged cables are a common culprit. Inspect your HDMI cable for physical damage and test with a known working cable. Resolution compatibility issues can cause signal problems. Ensure your source device and TV support the same video resolution settings. Outdated graphics drivers are a frequent cause of HDMI connectivity issues. Update your computer's display drivers through Device Manager. Don't forget to check for firmware updates on your TV and connected devices. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve HDMI compatibility. Electronic devices can interfere with HDMI signals. Keep Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other electronics away from your HDMI cables and connections. HDMI 2.2 is on the horizon, promising 96 gigabits per second bandwidth and support for 8K resolution and beyond. This represents a massive leap in capability. For high-end applications, consider fiber optic HDMI cables. These eliminate signal loss over long distances and provide superior performance as HDMI 2.1 adoption grows. Wireless HDMI technology is also emerging as a future trend, potentially eliminating physical cables entirely while maintaining high-quality transmission. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and staying informed about emerging HDMI technologies, you can resolve current issues and prepare for the future of high-definition connectivity.